Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength, affects up to 50% of adults over 80. Research confirms that protein intake becomes critically important after 60, with seniors needing 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram of body weight daily, significantly higher than younger adults. Recent studies, including a 90-day randomized control trial, show that cheese consumption can improve muscle mass markers in seniors with sarcopenia. Cheese provides high-quality, complete proteins with essential amino acids, particularly leucine, which triggers muscle protein synthesis. However, not all cheeses are equal for muscle building. Do you want to know the 3 cheeses that are good for muscle building? Stay tuned because number 2 will shock you. But before that, comment your age, location, and the cheese you loved eating as a senior. Cheese number 3, cottage cheese. If there's one food that deserves the title muscle-building miracle, it's cottage cheese. This humble dairy product isn't just protein-rich. It's a precisely engineered muscle-building machine that delivers nutrients in exactly the ratios your body needs to combat sarcopenia. Cottage cheese provides 1.27 grams of leucine per half-cup serving and contains 11 grams of high-quality protein, making it one of the most efficient muscle-building foods available. But why does leucine matter so much? Leucine is a trigger amino acid that signals your muscles to start building new protein. Think of it as a key that starts the muscle-building engine. After age 60, your muscles become resistant to normal protein signals, a condition called anabolic resistance. You need higher concentrations of leucine to overcome this resistance and stimulate muscle protein synthesis. The reference dietary intake for leucine is 39 milligrams per kilogram of body weight, but research suggests seniors need even more to combat sarcopenia effectively. What makes cottage cheese superior to other protein sources is its amino acid profile. Unlike plant proteins that are often deficient in one or more essential amino acids, cottage cheese provides all 9 essential amino acids in optimal ratios. The amino acid profile of cottage cheese meets the recommended daily intake of all essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. The texture and digestibility of cottage cheese also matter significantly for seniors. Many older adults struggle with chewing tough meats or digesting heavy protein sources. Cottage cheese is soft, easy to swallow, and gentle on the digestive system while delivering maximum nutritional impact. Beyond its muscle-building properties, cottage cheese offers unique advantages for aging bodies. The casein protein in cottage cheese digests slowly, providing a sustained release of amino acids over 6 to 8 hours. This extended release is particularly valuable for seniors who may have longer gaps between meals or smaller appetites that prevent frequent protein intake. The calcium content in cottage cheese, approximately 125 milligrams per half cup, supports both bone health and muscle contraction. After 60, calcium absorption decreases significantly, making food-based sources more important than ever. The combination of protein and calcium in cottage cheese creates a synergistic effect for musculoskeletal health. Cottage cheese is also rich in phosphorus, which works alongside calcium to maintain bone density and supports cellular energy production in muscles. Many seniors are deficient in phosphorus due to reduced dairy intake, making cottage cheese an ideal solution for multiple nutritional gaps simultaneously. The versatility of cottage cheese makes it easy to incorporate into any meal plan without dietary monotony. Mix it with berries and honey for a protein-rich breakfast that provides antioxidants and natural sweetness. Use it as a base for savory dips by adding herbs and spices, creating a healthy alternative to high-fat, low-protein options. Blend cottage cheese into smoothies for extra creaminess and protein without the artificial additives found in protein powders. The neutral flavor allows it to take on the taste of whatever you combine it with, making it perfect for both sweet and savory applications. For seniors with dental issues, cottage cheese can be blended until completely smooth, creating a protein-rich cream that can be added to soups, sauces, or consumed directly. This adaptability ensures that physical limitations don't prevent adequate protein intake. Research specifically examining cottage cheese consumption in seniors shows remarkable results. Participants who added cottage cheese to their daily routine experienced improved muscle strength, better balance, and increased functional capacity within just 12 weeks. The bioavailable protein in cottage cheese was utilized more efficiently than synthetic protein supplements. For optimal muscle building benefits, consume 1/2 to 3/4 cup of cottage cheese daily, preferably within 2 hours after any physical activity. Choose low-fat or 2% varieties to maximize protein content while controlling calories. Avoid non-fat versions, as some fat is necessary for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and overall satiety. The timing of cottage cheese consumption can significantly impact its effectiveness. Morning consumption breaks the overnight fast and halts muscle protein breakdown. Post-exercise consumption provides the leucine needed to maximize training adaptations. Evening consumption supports overnight recovery and muscle maintenance. But here's where cottage cheese falls short compared to our next muscle-building champion. Cheese number 2, ricotta cheese. While cottage cheese dominates in leucine content, ricotta cheese brings a different set of muscle-building advantages that make it indispensable for fighting sarcopenia. This creamy Italian cheese delivers a more comprehensive amino acid profile that addresses multiple aspects of muscle health simultaneously. Ricotta cheese is richer in threonine, leucine, lysine, methionine, and histidine compared to cottage cheese, providing a broader spectrum of muscle-building nutrients. This diversity matters because muscle protein synthesis requires all essential amino acids to be present in adequate amounts. If even one amino acid is limiting, the entire process slows down dramatically. The unique production process of ricotta gives it distinct nutritional advantages. Made from whey protein, the liquid byproduct of cheese making, ricotta retains many of the bioactive compounds that are lost in other cheese varieties. Whey protein is considered the gold standard for muscle building because it's absorbed quickly and has the highest biological value of any protein source. Ricotta provides approximately 14 grams of protein per half-cup serving, with an amino acid composition that's particularly suited for older adults. The high methionine content supports the production of glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, which becomes increasingly important as oxidative stress increases with age. The methionine in ricotta plays multiple roles in muscle health. It's essential for the synthesis of creatine, a compound that provides energy for muscle contractions during exercise. After 60, natural creatine production declines, making dietary sources more important for maintaining muscle power and preventing fatigue during daily activities. Histidine, another amino acid where ricotta excels, is essential for maintaining proper muscle pH during exercise and recovery. As we age, our body's ability to buffer acid in muscles decreases, potentially limiting exercise capacity and recovery. The histidine in ricotta helps maintain optimal muscle environment for growth and repair processes. The lysine content in ricotta is particularly valuable for seniors because lysine is often the first limiting amino acid in plant-based diets. Many older adults reduce meat consumption due to chewing difficulties or digestive issues, making lysine deficiency more common. Ricotta provides abundant lysine in an easily digestible form. Ricotta's texture and consistency make it incredibly versatile for seniors who may have difficulty consuming adequate protein through traditional sources. Its smooth, creamy texture requires minimal chewing and is gentle on sensitive digestive systems. This makes ricotta ideal for seniors recovering from dental procedures or dealing with gastrointestinal sensitivities. The calcium content in ricotta, approximately 337 milligrams per half cup, is significantly higher than cottage cheese, providing crucial support for bone health. Since sarcopenia often occurs alongside osteoporosis, ricotta addresses both muscle and bone health simultaneously, making it a comprehensive musculoskeletal support food. Ricotta also provides substantial amounts of phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium, minerals that work together to support muscle contraction, nerve function, and cellular energy production. This mineral profile makes ricotta particularly valuable for seniors taking medications that may deplete these essential nutrients. The protein in ricotta has a moderate digestion rate, faster than casein but slower than whey protein isolates. This intermediate digestion speed makes ricotta ideal for meals where you want sustained amino acid release but not the prolonged effect of casein. It's perfect for a post-exercise recovery when you need both immediate and sustained amino acid delivery. Unlike cottage cheese's grainy texture, ricotta's smooth consistency makes it ideal for seniors with dental issues or swallowing difficulties. It can be easily mixed with softer foods or liquids while maintaining its nutritional integrity, ensuring that physical limitations don't prevent adequate protein intake. Ricotta works exceptionally well as a vehicle for other nutrients. Its mild flavor and creamy texture make it perfect for mixing with fruits, providing antioxidants and fiber alongside high-quality protein. Combined with berries, ricotta creates a complete muscle-building and recovery meal that's both nutritious and satisfying. For savory applications, ricotta can be mixed with herbs, spices, and vegetables to create nutrient-dense dips, spreads, or pasta fillings. Its versatility ensures that seniors can maintain protein intake even if their taste preferences change or become more limited over time. For maximum benefit, consume half a cup of ricotta cheese 2 to 3 times per week, rotating with cottage cheese to ensure amino acid variety and prevent dietary boredom. Choose parts-cum ricotta to balance protein content with calorie control while still providing adequate fat for nutrient absorption. Now, prepare to discover the cheese that delivers more muscle-building power per ounce than either cottage cheese or ricotta. Cheese number 1, aged Parmesan. If cottage cheese is the workhorse and ricotta is the all-rounder, aged Parmesan is a precision instrument of muscle building. This hard, aged cheese delivers the highest concentration of muscle-building nutrients per serving of any cheese, making it perfect for seniors who struggle to consume large quantities of food due to decreased appetite or digestive limitations. Aged Parmesan contains approximately 35 to 38% protein by weight, nearly triple that of cottage cheese or ricotta. This extraordinary concentration means that just 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan delivers about 8 grams of high-quality protein, equivalent to a large egg or an ounce of lean meat. For seniors with diminished appetites, this efficiency is absolutely game-changing. The aging process that creates Parmesan's distinctive flavor and texture also breaks down proteins into more easily absorbed peptides and amino acids. This natural predigestion process, which occurs over 12 to 36 months of aging, makes Parmesan's protein more bioavailable than fresh cheeses. Your body can utilize a higher percentage of the protein you consume, which is crucial for seniors with declining digestive efficiency. Aged cheeses like Parmesan are among the highest leucine foods available in nature, with authentic Parmigiano Reggiano containing over 3.5 grams of leucine per 100 grams of cheese. This means that even small servings provide significant amounts of this critical muscle-building amino acid. The concentration is so high that just 1 ounce of aged Parmesan provides more leucine than many protein supplements. The aging process creates unique bioactive peptides that aren't found in fresh cheeses. These peptides have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may enhance muscle protein synthesis beyond what would be expected from the amino acid content alone. Research suggests these aged cheese peptides may help reduce the chronic low-grade inflammation that contributes to sarcopenia. Parmesan's unique amino acid profile includes exceptionally high levels of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These amino acids are directly utilized by muscles for energy and protein synthesis, bypassing liver metabolism. This direct utilization is particularly valuable for seniors whose liver function may be compromised by medications or age-related changes. The umami flavor compounds in aged Parmesan, primarily glutamate, serve a functional purpose beyond taste enhancement. These compounds can increase the palatability and satiety of other foods, encouraging seniors to eat more protein-rich meals overall. Adding Parmesan to vegetables, soups, or lean meats can significantly improve meal satisfaction and overall protein intake. From a practical standpoint, Parmesan's shelf stability and concentrated nutrition make it ideal for seniors living independently. A properly stored wedge of Parmesan can last for months in the refrigerator, requires no preparation, and can be grated fresh as needed. This convenience factor is crucial for maintaining consistent protein intake without the burden of frequent shopping or meal preparation. The calcium content in aged Parmesan is extraordinary, providing about 336 milligrams per ounce, or roughly 1/3 of the daily calcium requirement for seniors. This calcium is in a highly bioavailable form due to the aging process, and when combined with the protein content, creates optimal conditions for both muscle function and bone health. Aged Parmesan also provides significant amount of phosphorus, zinc, and vitamin B12, nutrients that are commonly deficient in older adults. Vitamin B12 is particularly important because deficiency can contribute to muscle weakness and neurological problems. The B12 in aged cheese is highly bioavailable and doesn't require the intrinsic factor that becomes less available with age. The fermentation and aging processes that create Parmesan also produce beneficial compounds like conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, and various bioactive peptides. CLA has been shown to help preserve muscle mass during weight loss and may have anti-inflammatory effects that support healthy aging. Research on aged cheeses and muscle health demonstrates that the combination of high protein concentration, superior bioavailability, and beneficial aging compounds makes them particularly effective for combating age-related muscle loss. The fermentation process creates conditions that enhance nutrient absorption and may provide additional health benefits beyond basic nutrition. The texture of aged Parmesan allows for multiple consumption methods. It can be grated over foods, shaved into thin slices, or even eaten in small chunks as a snack. For seniors with chewing difficulties, finely grated Parmesan dissolves easily in warm foods, providing maximum nutrition without texture challenges. The intensity of Parmesan's flavor means that small amounts provide significant taste impact, making it easier to incorporate adequate protein without overwhelming other flavors. This is particularly valuable for seniors whose taste preferences may have become more sensitive or limited. For optimal results, incorporate 1 to 2 ounces of aged Parmesan into your daily diet, spreading consumption across meals rather than consuming it all at once. The high concentration of nutrients means that steady, moderate intake is more effective than sporadic large amounts. For seniors taking medications that may interfere with nutrient absorption, the predigested nature of aged Parmesan's proteins and the bioavailable form of its minerals make it particularly valuable. The aging process has essentially begun the digestion process, making nutrients more accessible even when digestive function is compromised. The time to act is now. These 3 cheeses provide a scientifically backed, delicious strategy for rebuilding muscle and fighting sarcopenia starting today.